Good morning. Happy Friday here. It's Brett with Directors with this week's Friday market recap. So, as always, starting off with the closing prices of the 10-year note. So, for Monday, 4.094, Tuesday, 4.142, Wednesday, 4.178. Thursday, back down some, 4.132. And so far this morning, 4.139. So overall, pretty tight range. This morning, inflation data was released. So first off, PCE. So for the PCE data, month over month was expected at a plus 0.2%, and it was reported at plus 0.2%. So no surprise there. It was up, however, from November, which was minus 0.1%. Now, for year over year, it was expected at plus 2.7% and was up only 2.6%. So slight slowing there, which is positive. Now, also there's core PCE. Now, that was expected at plus 0.2 and came in at plus 0.2 again. Now, year over year, it was at plus 0.29%, which was slightly lower than expected. So all in all, not a major news there, but it was showing a little bit down inflation, which is continuing to be good news for us. The 10-year note this week is kind of finding resistance around that 4.2 range from a technical perspective. It has not broke through, which was great. Wednesday, we crept up there until the 1.7, 1.8 or 4.18 range, but it's again come back down back half of this week, which is good news. So really at this point, the markets are trading in a very tight range. There's not been any shocking news from inflation data, other data out in the market over the last couple of weeks. Still nothing significant from the Fed side. Definitely opinions back and forth as to when the Fed may do something. Now, next week for us is the next Fed meeting. At this point, definitely not expected to see any rate increases, but also not expecting any kind of a rate decrease at this point for us. So I think at this point, probably going to see pretty tight range on the 10-year note and on mortgage rates until there's some key data points that are going to show, hey, either inflation really moving left or right one way or other economic data. And also if there's any significant comments or change in direction from the Fed. So all in all, I know the year's picking up nice and busy for us, which is exciting to see that consumer confidence back into real estate. As always, any questions, scenarios, feel free to reach out. Other than that, I hope everyone has a great weekend here. Thanks.